Fitocracy Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. What if your fitness app could actually motivate you to stay consistent? You won't believe how much progress depends on psychology, not just workouts. Fitocracy is a fitness tracking and coaching platform designed to help users build healthy habits through gamification. It turns workouts into a game, rewarding you with points, levels, and achievements. You can log workouts, track progress, and follow personalized fitness plans. The surprising truth about fitness success is that accountability and motivation matter more than perfect routines. Fitocracy also offers coaching plans where certified trainers guide you through structured programs based on your goals, whether that is weight loss, strength building, or endurance training. For example, if you want to lose 20 pounds, Fitocracy can provide daily routines, habit reminders, and progress tracking to keep you consistent. Fitocracy works well for beginners and people who struggle with staying motivated. However, advanced athletes may find it less customizable compared to professional training apps. If you want a fun, motivating way to stay active, Fitocracy is worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest health and wellness app reviews.